In the previous class, we have studied about the size and the location of India. To the yesterday's homework answer, it is the question was the what is the difference between the durations of the day and night, which are hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not so in Kashmir. As we can see that Kanyakumari is very close to the equator, whereas Kashmir is far from the equator. That means Kanyakumari is at lesser latitude as compared to Kashmir. As equator receives direct sunlight between the duration between the day and night would hardly be felt at Kanyakumari. In the previous class, I have told you that India comes under the 7 largest countries in the world. This is a demographic yearbook of 2015 which is given by United Nations. You can see there are 7 countries in this graph, that is Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. Their areas in square kilometer has been shown in this demographic yearbook. You can see the extent of India and standard meridian in this diagram. As I have told you that the length of mainland in India, there is a gap of 3214 km between north and south, and when it comes to east to west, the length or the gap is 2933 km. Because of this gap, the time difference of 2 hours has been is in between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. India and the world. How India is connected to the different parts of the world. Do you all know that the among the all the advantages of India, the best advantage is that it is at the center of Asia. Second advantage is India is having a long coastline on the Indian Ocean. The shape of India, because of Deccan Peninsula, it gives India a lot of advantages. If we talk about from the west coast, we can establish the close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe. And and from the south, from the east coast, we can connect to the Asia's biggest countries. Whatever ships are moving, they have to pass from Indian Ocean. India contact with the world, they have continued through ages, but relationships through the long land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountain in the north, they have provided the passages to ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time. So, if we talk about these routes, they have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient time. The ideas of Upanishads, the Ramayana, the story of Panchatantra, the Indian numeral, and the decimal system thus reached to many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and architectural style of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of the country. India's neighbors. If we talk about the neighbors of our country, India is having 9 neighbors. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Across the sea, 2 island countries are there, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. They are our southern neighbors of our country. If we look that on the map, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea which is formed by Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands. India has had geographical and historical links with her neighbors. As we know now, in India there are 28 states and 7 union territories. But before 1947, there were 2 types of states in India: the provinces and the princely states. Provinces are ruled directly by the British official who were appointed by the Viceroy. Princely states were ruled by the local hereditary rulers who acknowledged sovereignty in return for the local autonomy. Coming to today's homework question, there are two questions are given which you have to do. The first one is why 82 degree 30 minute has been selected as standard meridian of time. The second question is the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat West, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? That's it for today's class. Thank you.